The first treatment in particular was absolutely fantastic. They obviously looked at her skin and then told us what the procedure would be and what she should expect the Dermapen to feel like.
So I had a treatment, I think it was every 6 weeks. I think it was my second or third. Basically, like, all of the acne was like pretty much gone. I still had a few like imperfections, but nothing like it was.
By the end of the 6th treatment, it was just...
Or even before that,
yeah, about the 3rd treatment, like, it was almost like she never had a skin problem at all.
Everything was gone and I just was using the products every night. My scars weren't obvious, like, it was amazing. There was no like deep scarring, and that was when my skin was back to normal. Like, I was able to put my face up, my head up, and feel comfortable with how I looked. 3rd or 4th treatment, my skin was clear. It was the best it's ever looked, which was amazing.